Hey everyone, so I'm super excited to open up my Drop Hat box. I was the lucky winner of a giveaway that Drop Hat held, and they contacted me personally asking me what sports teams I was into. And I told them that I had already enough sports themed hat and I wanted something a little bit different. I wanted something for me and my wife. And I told them that we're really into Marvel and DC. And let's see what they
Our
gave
first
us.
accessory, we have a pair of Flash sunglasses. Let's open up the bag and see what else we have. Oh, very nice. For my wife, we have a Wonder Woman hat. It's like a felt or a suede material. For me, we have Batman denim with a nice embroidered Batman symbol. Loving Batman. Next, we have a nice very cool pair of socks with Harley Quinn and Arkham Knight on him. And finally, the last item that we have is a Batman wallet.
If you're interested in receiving similar items that I received today, then go on to www.thedrophat.com and subscribe to their pop box, and you'll receive similar pop culture items that I did today. Go check them out, guys.